Good day, fellow traders. Welcome back to the bloodbath. The Qs are taking a beating again, and so is the SPY. So, another day in the market and another beating. But in this video, I want to go over specifically how to use volume to potentially find reversals. So, basically, using volume and chart pattern together in order to find potential reversals. So I'm going to go into detail on a trade that I did on ticker symbol CRWD, Crowdstrike holding. So Crowdstrike released earning on March 10th, right over here on this day over here. And you can see there was huge volume for this particular stock. It had around 24 million volume traded on this day, which is a lot for this stock because on average it probably trades around between 3 to 5 million. So you're talking about probably 3-4 times more volume than normal. So on this day, it tried to go above this 197 level, but it got slammed back down. But what was very interesting is that the following day, on March 11th, it tried once again, and it got slammed back down. So you see this very nice shooting star candle right over here. So what does this tell me? This tells me that there's a lot of people that gave it a shot to buy the stock up, right? But there's just too much seller over here. I mean, that is super clear, right? That there's just a lot of sellers sitting around this area and not willing to let this price go above this 197 level. It is super clear. So coming into this morning, given the fact that the Qs is looking very weak, the SPY is looking very weak, and given this setup on CRWD, I was gonna give it a try to short if it came to my levels, if it came to the levels that I had marked off. So if you go to the lower time frames, and if you follow this channel, you know what level I'm looking at, right? The previous day close level, which is sitting right over here, right? It's a beautiful setup over here because you can see there's multiple touches on the previous day close level, even on the 10th, and of course on the 11th it had a lot of touches. It was the close, and you can also see over here, look at all these wicks towards the upside. So this tells you that there's a lot of seller around this area. So once the price came back up to this level, I had an alert set up and I was able to get my short in. And look at this right over here, and the rest was history. So I was able to get two partials, but then I got stopped out over here. I moved my stop a little bit closer, but I really should not have done that, right? I moved my stop closer and then I got stopped out. And I ended up missing the big chunk of the move. Look at this stock. This stock ended up taking a shit later. It was complete disaster after that. So yeah, that was my trade. Very good entry, but very poor trade management. But at the end of the day, it was a green trade. The day actually only ended up being break even for me because I had a 2R loss on Piton. This was overall a 2R winner. But you know what? No loss in confidence, and I live to trade another day, right? So hope you guys keep it green, and see you guys next time.